It's funny that you mentioned put your tie on because Cam Newton this week did not put his tie on.
I heard that.
And his coach benched him for the first series, which turned out to just be one play because his backup threw an interception.
Yeah, of course. You can't keep Cam out for too long, but I love that idea.
Now,
I love that.
Is there precedence in your world, in the comedy world, for benching somebody because they've broken a protocol of some sort?
No, but you couldn't do Letterman if you didn't have a jacket.
No.
Yeah, there's no stand-ups. If you look back, you had to wear a jacket to go on the show.
No way.
Yeah, I mean, even Chappelle, who, is like the coolest guy in the world, as a young comic, he went on and he had to wear a jacket. He was awkward and felt awful, and I don't think he did the show again.
Now, the one time I did Letterman, I suited and booted.
Yeah.
I did not see, is there a coat rack there for comedians who show up?
Like
sort
a
of
dinner?
like at the 21 Club?
You'd be more comfortable in this. No.
They don't have that?
No, they just let it be known that you have to dress to go on, which I like. There's nothing wrong with that. People are disgusting now. So there's a couple places you might as well look a little okay, right?
It is old school, though.
Yeah, it is old school. And, the rest of stand-up, like when I run around, most guys are in T-shirts. I dress all the time. I'm always in a jacket. I came into the Comedy Store the other night, actually, and I was dressed a little more casual than this. Like, I just had like an open thing and a T-shirt. And the girl who works the front said she sees me in a suit or in a jacket all the time. I just try and dress. Even when just going to the store, I like it. I like it. She said when I walked in like that I looked like the teacher on his day off. You're like the principal who on his day off, he caught him at the mall.
The Rich Eisen Show, weekdays at noon Eastern on Audience.